front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit pair at the bottom right corner. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear next to your paired device and hit unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!